Next we will do probability distribution of electrons around the nucleus. Now we will study how the electrons they are distributed around the nucleus. We have studied radial distribution curve में हमने पढ़ा about distance of electron from the nucleus. So today we will study probability distribute, how the probability of finding electron is distributed around the nucleus. So radial probability distribution means the probability of finding the electron within a small radial space around the nucleus. And it is probability is given as the product of psi square. Psi square is the probability density, and 4 pi r square dr, that is the volume or the space, small radial space around the nucleus. This is the volume element, volume है ये. And we have taken here, हमने यहाँ पे 4 pi r square इसलिए लिया है because हम इसको consider करते हैं a shell. We consider the space around nucleus as a shell. Shell की form में है, sphere की form में है. I would say we consider shell a sphere. Shell को हम एक sphere की form में मानते हैं. तो sphere का जो volume होता है, sphere का जो area होता है, that is 4 pi r square. Area होता है, and dr we are multiplying it with the element of radius or distance from the nucleus, and this is the, so 4 pi r square dr psi square, that is the probability of finding the probability distribution of electron around the nucleus. Now for S, now the graphical representation, how graphically we will represent it. So for S orbital, number of high probability regions, they are equal to n. This is the formula to calculate number of high probability regions for S orbital. It is equal to n, and number of nodes, that is equal to n minus 1. Obviously it will be n minus 1 because L in this S orbital obviously it is equal to 0. So n minus 1. So you can see this here, that 4 pi r square psi square, that is the probability distribution versus r. So this is the region where there is maximum probability of finding the electron. R0 is that distance where the probability of finding electron, that is maximum, and there is no node in this orbital. There is no node, 0. N is a number of nodes, that is equal to 0. So next we will do, this was for 1s. For 2s you can see there is one node, and it has two regions of high probability where probability of finding electron is maximum, especially the second maxima. You can see this here, the probability, this part will depict that probability of finding electron is maximum at this distance. And this region depicts node, there is one node. We can see 3s, number of high probability regions, you can see 1, 2 and 3. Number of high probability regions, you can see how many high probability regions, and number of nodes are 2, n minus 1, 2. Number of high probability regions are 3, 1, 2, 3, n, because number of high probability regions for S orbital is equal to n. So 3 regions, and there are 2 nodes. Then for 4s orbital, number of high probability regions 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are the nodes. There are 3 nodes here. Then for p orbital, next comes for p orbital, number of regions of high probability, that is equal to n minus 1, and number of nodes, that is equal to n minus 2. So you can note here, for 2p orbital there is no node here. There is no node, and there is only one. You can calculate number of regions of high probability, n minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, and number of nodes 2 minus 2, 0. So there is only one region of high probability and there is no node. Then for 3p orbital, number of regions, this is the nodal, this is node, this point is node. For 3p orbital, number of nodes 3 minus 2, 1. 1 node. Number of regions of high probability 3 minus 1 2. 1 2 regions of high probability. Then next we have for d orbitals. For d orbitals, number of regions of high probability that is equal to n minus 2 and number of nodes that is equal to n minus 3. From here, for 3D, number of nodes 3 minus 3 equals to 0. So there is no node here, and number of regions of high probability n minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1. 1 region of high probability. Then for 4D orbital, number of nodes 4 minus 3, 1. There is 1 node, and number of regions of high probability 4 minus 2, 2. There are 2 regions of high probability. Then for 4F orbital again, you can see for 4F it will be number of regions of high probability here, it will be equal to n minus 3, and number of nodes they will be equal to n minus 4. This will be the formula. So number of regions of high probability n minus 3, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, and number of nodes 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. So you can remember it like this. This is the easy way to memorize that for first orbital of each type, हर एक शेल का जो पहला ऑर्बिटल है, like when n is equal to 1, तो first जो आपका ऑर्बिटल है 1s है. Similarly, 2p, 3d and 4f means first orbital of each type has one region of maximum probability. Then second orbital of each type, पहला ऑर्बिटल इसमें n when second orbital of each type, obviously when n is equal to 2, 2s, 3p and 4f, they will have the second orbital of each type has, this will be 5f, not 4f. Then a second orbital of each type has 2 regions of high probability or maximum probability, and third orbital of each type, that is 3s, 4p, 5d and 6f. If you have to take f also, it will be here, it will be 4d, 5f and obviously अगर आपको d भी लेना है second orbital of each type, then there will be 4d is also included here, has 2 regions of maximum probability. Then third orbital of each type, that is 3s, 4p, 5d, 6f also you can take, has 3 regions of maximum probability. So in this way you can remember them. This is the easy way to memorize it. Thank you.